Welcome to the World Cars Update channel. The all-new 2024 Honda Prelude. This iconic nameplate is back after a 20-year hiatus, and it's ready to redefine the sport coupe segment. Design. The new Prelude is a stunner, with a sleek and muscular design that pays homage to its classic roots. The front end features a sharp, angular grille and piercing LED headlights, while the rear end boasts a rakish hatchback and a pair of integrated exhaust tips. The interior is just as impressive, with the driver-focused cockpit and a luxurious feel. The materials are top-notch, and the fit and finish is impeccable. Performance. Under the hood is a choice of two powertrains, a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine and a hybrid system that pairs a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with two electric motors. The 2.0T produces 275 horsepower and 295 pounds-feet of torque, while the hybrid system makes 300 horsepower and 275 pounds-feet of torque. Both powertrains are mated to a 6-speed manual transmission or a 9-speed automatic transmission. Handling. The new Prelude is built on Honda's new global platform, which is designed for improved handling and performance. The car has a low center of gravity and a double wishbone suspension, and it's tuned for both on-road and track use. Technology. The new Prelude comes standard with a host of advanced technology features, including a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a head-up display, and a suite of driver assistance features. Pricing and availability. The 2024 Honda Prelude will go on sale in the fall of 2023. Pricing will start at $35,000 for the 2.0T model and $40,000 for the hybrid model. The new Honda Prelude is a truly remarkable car that is sure to please even the most discerning drivers. It's stylish, powerful, and packed with technology. If you're looking for a sport coupe that offers exceptional value for money, the new Prelude is the perfect choice for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting automotive content.